The final night of the Miss Heilala Beauty Pageant is the ball night, where the contestants show all their glamour and sophistication.
The organising committee and Tonga Tourist Association have planned that she will be representing Tonga as Tonga's #1 contestant for the coming South Pacific pageant. Not only that, she has prizes that includes air tickets to Los Angeles, cash prizes, and we intend to use her when we have our promotion overseas of Tonga to take her as part of the promotion.
First up is Miss Heilala Duty Free salesperson Mepa Siaki. Miss Good Samaritan Inn is student Ma'ata Mo'ungaloa from Kolovai. Miss Mosi Mosi Club is Loseli Felisonu'u from La Paha, Tongatapu. Flight attendant Moala Fe'ao Moelupe Sika from Havelu Loto is Miss 5 Stars. Miss Neiafu Friendly Birds is student Emma Luisa Alamotu from Vava'u. Ramona Southerns a student representing Miss New Zealand Tonga Tourism Association. Miss Savoy is Loni Sweepi Ma'u from Havelu Loto, Tongatapu. Here's Miss Ha'apai. She's student Lesieli Tupou Faith o Loto Ha'angana Malu. Take a bow, Miss Pacific Royale Hotel. She's Kasilita Vaiwinta Paongo from Lofanga Ha'apai. Miss Tonga Visitors Bureau Tonga National Centre is Vika Siulolo Manu Matanga I Wailahi Ilolahia. Here's Miss International Dateline Hotel, student Tatiana Kaho. And Miss Hotel Nukualofa, 18-year-old student Tilia Tu'itokwaloto Pau from Kolofo'o, Tongatapu. As the judges add up the results, all eyes wait for the final announcement.
Ladies and gentlemen, the first prize, Miss Heilala 1995-1996, goes to Miss Good Samaritan.
A great night for Ma'ata Mo'ungaloa and her family. I caught up with Ma'ata the next day and asked her about the Miss Heilala.
I entered the Miss Heilala because I wanted to promote the Good Samaritan Inn. Also, I thought it's a good challenge for my future. It was such a surprise to me, you know. I never thought I would win. Everyone, my whole family was just so proud of me, you know. I didn't know, I wasn't expecting myself to win.